I didn't know your bike was there. Today I'm at a Freeride event at Kegon, and there's a lot of people here. Easily more than 100 or so. Really good weather, a bit hot. When I arrived it was 26, but it's probably going to get over 30 degrees. There's a few booths here. This one has TM bikes. Pretty rare bikes in most countries. Japan, very rare. Got a TM, it's a 250 4-stroke, and then a 125 2-stroke, another 250 4-stroke, and a 250 2-stroke. The 2-stroke bikes are fuel injection. You can see they've got a V-force reed valve. Looks pretty cool. There's a couple of Suron bikes. This is the KTM Kawasaki Chiyo booth. This is the shop I bought my bike from. Today they're lending out 2 bikes. One is a gas 250 2-stroke, and they've got a KTM 350 4-stroke as well. This is brand is DJC, and they have special washes for bikes. This one's meant for muddy conditions. This is a wax one, and this is when it's not so muddy. You can use it on cars as well. They've got a couple of Triumph adventure bikes, 900. Well, it's hot today, there's a nice breeze, so it's actually really nice. That's a good one. Yeah. we've even got food. We got here, no beer. We got pizza and chips for carb loading. And we got shaved ice, fried chicken. We got here crepe, they look good. And what we got here, all sorts of bentos, sandwich, bentos, looks good. Why don't you just ride up? You're really making a meal of that. Hey! Yeah, I saw it, yeah. There's a boulder there. The end is like that, the lip.
Straight, there it goes. Very good for that. 30 seconds this time as well.
I didn't know your bike was there. I'm like, I thought I was going to go straight in your bike.
I didn't expect you to go so fucking fast.
What a fun day. The next practice event is, I think, in December. So I'll probably come along for that. And then there's probably a race at the start of the year. Look forward to that.